Hello and welcome to Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to install and configure Microsoft Power BI Report Server May 2019 release. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the setup files from Microsoft website. Search for Power BI Report Server May 2019 on Google or Bing. Then go to the download page, click download. You need to select the files of the version of your Windows PC or laptop, that is 32-bit or 64-bit. Once it is downloaded, first install Power BI Report Server, then Power BI Desktop RS. During the setup, choose the edition to install, choose a trial version or developer edition. If you already purchased the license, you can enter the product key. But all the versions will have the same features except the trial period and the license key. In this demo, I am using developer edition. Click next, accept the terms, click next. We need SQL Server Database Engine to store the report server database. As I have already installed the SQL Server Database Engine, so it is asking to install only the Power BI Report Server. Click next, select the installation location, click install. It will take few minutes depending upon the performance of your PC. You know what? SQL Server Reporting Services and Power BI Report Server both are different. Let me tell you how. SSRS, that is SQL Server Reporting Services, can save only paginated reports, but it can't save Power BI files. Whereas the Power BI Report Server can save both the paginated reports and the Power BI files. Also, the Power BI Desktop and Power BI Desktop Report Server both are different products. Don't forget to download this as well. Without this, you can't able to publish your Power BI reports to your Power BI Report Server. The Power BI Desktop will have monthly updates from Microsoft, but the Power BI Desktop RS will get updated once in a 4 month. After the setup completed, we need to configure the server. Click Configure Report Server. By default, it will load the server. If not, type the server name with the instance and click Find. It will load the Power BI reporting servers. If you see the main screen, the database name is blank. As this is newly installed instance, either we need to create a new database or map the existing database. Let's go one by one. The first option is the service account. Service account is the account and this Power BI report server will run. Default built-in account is virtual service account. The next option is web services URL. Configure a URL used to access the Power BI report server. The default is under the port 80. If you have an HTTP certificate, you can select its port number. If you want to change, click advanced and you can add the additional ports on that, additional certificates on that. The default URL is as highlighted. Just click apply to activate the URL, because as this is a newly created one, so we need to click apply to activate the URL. The next is database. Initially it will be blank. Click on the change database. Either you create a new database or you can select the existing one if you already created a report server database, something like that. Click next, select the database server with the instance and enter the database credentials. Check the connection if it is success or not. Click next, enter the database name, click next, again enter the credentials, click next, Check the summary details, click finish. It will create a new database and configure to use in Power BI report server. The next one is web portal URL. Just click apply to activate the URL. If you want to change the default port, click advanced. And this is the main link which you are going to access the report from our network PC or from the outside the world. Okay, so far we are done through the main setup and configuration part. The other tabs are optional. That's all for now. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and your feedback and comments are highly valuable to us. So comment below and share with your friends. If you are new to this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update directly to your notifications. Thanks for watching.